Waking up freezing in the dead of winter or sweating through a humid summer night because your home's central HVAC system leaves your favorite rooms riddled with hot and cold zones is an absolute nightmare that completely ruins your home comfort. Relying on loud, ugly window AC units or inefficient space heaters traps you in a cycle of skyrocketing electricity bills, blocked window views, and constant fan noise. The Wi-Fi enabled 18,000 BTU mini split air conditioner and heater completely rescues you from those chaotic temperature swings, functioning as a whisper-quiet, heavy-duty climate control workstation engineered to deliver targeted, year-round comfort with absolute efficiency. Don't let its sleek, wall-mounted indoor profile fool you. This ductless split system packs a massive 18,000 BTU cooling and heating capacity. Driven by an advanced variable-speed inverter compressor and an integrated heat pump, it delivers ultra-reliable performance that easily covers sprawling spaces up to 1,250 square feet, making it the perfect fit for large living rooms, open-concept apartments, basements, or master suites. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its cutting-edge 19 SEER2 energy rating. By dynamically adjusting the compressor's motor speed rather than constantly blasting on and off like a traditional AC, it uses up to 30% less energy, slashing your utility bills while operating at a near-silent noise threshold. Engineered to fit into a modern, connected lifestyle, this mini split features built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. Through a dedicated smartphone app, you can turn on the AC while driving home from work, adjust the temperature from your bed, or sync it with smart home voice assistants for completely hands-free control. The system comes entirely complete with a comprehensive installation kit, including the pre-charged outdoor condenser, indoor air handler, and necessary line sets to streamline the setup process. It is the ultimate, stress-free home upgrade for property owners who demand uncompromised, dual-season climate luxury and whisper-quiet efficiency without the massive cost of installing ductwork. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you're installing this 18,000 BTU mini split in a large living area or a home workshop garage. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart home appliances, HVAC gear reviews, and premium tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.